Hey guys, after 2 months of family vacation, I am back. But with COVID, so I'm quarantined and I'm not back in my office, but here I am regardless. And today I want to ask if you have what it takes to make money, keep your money, and grow your money. Making money takes perseverance. For most of us anyway, we're not born rich. So we work hard for our money. I used to do things I don't want to do just to make ends meet, like flipping burgers. I used to go back to the same job because that's what pays the bill. Then I worked hard to find something that I really love to do. It takes perseverance to win with money, don't you agree? If you're still watching this video, I'm sure that you possess this quality, so I'll move on. Now, keeping money takes discipline. If you make $1 million and you spend $1.5 million, then you really didn't keep any of your money and you got yourself into debt. For most people, keeping money is harder than making money. It's easier to work hard to earn money than to control money habits. It takes discipline to live within a budget and to save, but it's a must-have quality if you want financial freedom and financial stability. Growing money takes patience. A lot of people want to get rich quickly, and that's why the casinos and the lottery are successful businesses. But the chances of winning there are so slim. The odds are not in our favor. If we want a more achievable way of growing our money, then we have to learn the power of compound interest, and that includes time. We need to have enough patience to find great investments, patience to wait for better opportunities, and patience to let compound interest work for us. If you don't already have these qualities, don't worry, these qualities can be attained with practice, knowledge, and experience. I focus on teaching a process to grow money in the stock market. There's no magical way, but there is a simplified way. Start by watching this next video about getting paid to wait.